We can tell this summer was absolutely fabulous regarding the climatic conditions, which were close to ideal since the flowering. We were indeed producing magnificent bunches of grape. This is a several hundred-year-old great growth, named after a British general, Charles Palmer, when, by the early 19th century, in 1814, he bought this estate from a very local French family, the de Gasques.
Sur les 200 années qui ont marqué l'histoire de Palmer.
Out of the first 200 years of history of this growth, since it was named Palmer, 3 periods appear. At first, Charles Palmer for 40-some years, then for a long while the Pereire family has owned it, a very rich and powerful family of Bordeaux bankers, from the end of the 19th century until 1930.
Et qui en a été propriétaire jusque dans les années 1930. Depuis les années 30,
since the 30s, the owner remained the same, still heirs today of 2 great families. One is British, the Seychelles family, by the way wine merchant in Bordeaux, and the other one is Dutch, the Malherbes family, this one being also a wine merchant in Bordeaux.
La famille Malherbes, elle aussi, négociant à Bordeaux.
This is a great Margaux terroir, as we are on the top of hills composed of Gunz gravels, a several million-year-old mix of sand and gravel brought here by the river when it appeared.
L'élevage en barrique est indispensable pour laisser au vin
Maturing in barrels is essential to give enough time to the wine to develop its volume, its flesh, and of course to soften the tannin, as well as to let it confirm its character and expression. Maturing in barrels is long, roughly from 18 to 24 months, and here, at the Chateau Palmer, we have always preferred a reasonable proportion of brand new oak. We indeed work with an average of 50 to 60% of new oak when maturing the Palmer wines.
Et les autres barriques sont des barriques d'un vin en complément.
This kind of delicacy is often described as elegance or feminism, though I personally prefer to describe it as a delicacy, because these wines are powerful, but it remains a self-controlled power, expressing itself very progressively, even better along with time. The signature of Palmer is this suavity, this charm, this appeal they have, even in their youth.
Même sur la jeunesse.